My name is Shelby Hernandez, and this is the Who You Gonna Call quick video guide on what departments to call outside the rec center during some situations. Sometimes things happen, and that's okay. We need some extra help because things go wrong in the building. We have other departments here for backup, and we need to call them when those situations arise. So let's go into things to include when making the phone call. First things first, state your name and where you're calling from. Hi, my name is Shelby. I'm calling from the gym, the rec center. This way, the other department knows who they're talking to and where they need to go. Next, be descriptive. Make sure you state exactly where the problem is occurring. Go into detail. This way, the department is better prepared to handle the situation because of this knowledge. Express the level of urgency as well, just so that the department is better prepared. Also, remain calm. Sometimes there are things that occur where it can get kind of intense. Maintaining that calm composure will ensure that the other department will know what the situation is so that they are better prepared. Lastly, when the phone call concludes, make sure you write down who you called, the time of the phone call, descriptions of the situation, and the outcome. You can do so on either the incident or injury reports and also in the supervisor binder. Now on to the different departments that you will be calling. So let's have some situations that regularly occur in the gym at some mock situations so that we can go into which departments to call. So what happens when one of the baskets does not go up? There's a leaky pipe or a light went out. We call the engineers. So their number is 773-442-5238 and their extension is 5238. You can dial the extension on any NEIU black phone that is anywhere. That way it'll take you directly to that department. But if you want to have the phone number in your own cell phone, the number is 773-442-5238. Now on to the next situations. What happens when someone vomits or someone defecates or urinates somewhere they're not supposed to? We call facilities, but with facilities, there's a couple stipulations. So Monday through Friday before 4 p.m., we call the 5240 extension. But after 4 p.m. Monday through Friday and Saturday and Sunday all day, we call the 5234 extension. If we don't get a response from that extension, then we call 773-655-9692. That's Ron Jacobson. He will assist us and make sure that the situation is handled properly so that our patrons are safe. The next situations we have, what happens when a fight occurs in the main gym, a head injury happened on court 1 and she's out of it, or there's a situation where a member or an employee feels unsafe because of someone else, we call campus police the emergency extension. So their number 773-442-5511. Make sure that you just have that phone number in your phone as well for emergencies, but also have the 911 Shield app. This app will ensure that if you have an issue or anything like that, you can immediately be dispatched to the campus police and they will know your location because of this app. So, for example, the last situation, that would be better for the 911 Shield app. The next situations, you need the front doors open or any door open. Someone had their personal belongings stolen, or you want an officer to walk or drive you to your car or bus stop after a closing shift. Call campus police, but the non-emergency extension. So their non-emergency extension is 4100. You can dial that again off of any NEIU phone, or you can keep this number in your cell phone. So remember, make sure that you are descriptive, stay calm, and you got this. Be as descriptive as possible. Maintain that calm composure because we have these departments here for a reason. They are here for us to make sure that we handle situations as best as we possibly can and ensure the safety of our patrons and of our staff. It's okay to ask for help. Make sure you do so. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.